Good evening, Arushi. Your interview is with Sidbi is going to be on which date?
So 25th.
25th. Acha. In which place?
So Lucknow.
Oh, acha. That means you can see Shiva Subramanian Raman also. Huh?
Really, sir?
Shiva Subramanian Raman may come and see you. Hello, Arushi, how are you? He will ask you. Good, good, good. Yeah. Can you please tell us about yourself?
So my name is Arushi. I'm from Lucknow. I have done B.Tech, computer science and engineering, and then I did M.Ba. And I have a family of 5 members. I have a younger sister and brother, and my father is a government employee, and my mother is a
Housewife, right? Now,
Yes.
what is the MBA you did?
Sir, in HR and marketing, but my major was HR.
Major was HR. Acha, acha. Then
Yes.
Sidbi Wala will ask, why are you not going for HR related jobs and why do you want to come here as an assistant manager with us? What makes you come here? That's one. Number two, what do you think are the responsibilities you have to fulfill here? These two questions. Answer me.
Sir, when I was in MBA, I got placed in ICICI Bank as an assistant manager only. But I got LOI, but when I received the confirmation letter, my whole family was suffering from COVID. So I didn't join it at that time. After that, I started applying for IBPS SO. From there, I got to learn that banks also require technology driven or HR people so that they can deal with people easily. And Sidbi is an organization which supports MSME, and there I can like fully utilize my HR skills to um, train to guide investors or something. And my role, according to me, roles in Sidbi is to provide loans to MSME and then and to like do administrative works like um, so
I mean, you have to say the job role of an officer or assistant manager in Sidbi will be to
yes, sir.
monitor or to take care of giving refinance and also sanctioning of loans to various MSMEs like that. You must be able to tell those are the duties. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall we make a search? What is the job role of an assistant manager in Sidbi? Just a minute. Google job role of AM in Sidbi, India. Sidbi assistant manager. I am just giving you the link that is given by our testbook.com. Testbook.com has given some ideas about it. We will just go through that. I am sharing it with you.
Okay, sir.
Sidbi assistant manager. I think you must have studied this. Salary structure and all. I'm not going into details of that. Job profile. Candidates joining the bank. Jayakumar, Arushi, and others, please follow this. Candidates joining the bank after scoring marks more than the Sidbi assistant manager cutoff marks shall be required to discharge the following duties as mentioned under the Sidbi assistant manager job profile. Can you read, Arushi, yourself so that you can remember it? Please read.
Yes, so augmenting credit penetration in MSME, microfinance, startup venture capital sector through direct, indirect credit delivery and monitoring mechanism, contributing to entrepreneurship promotion and skill development activities of the bank for MSME sector, including facilitating cooperation and coordination with various stakeholders to be key input provider in business analytics and decision making process by gathering regular market feedback, research and updating the management with the trend in their areas cluster to assess the bank in prioritization of various new initiative and projects, participate in internal management, administration, control, and monitoring related functions to ensure that the bank remains an adaptable and responsive organization amidst changing dynamics of the MSME sector and the overall economy. Any other work assigned by the bank from time to time.
No, I think this has come very well. So let me give you this. If I can copy, I will give you in our Telegram page. You are a member of Telegram, na?
Yes, sir.
You are not telling confidently. What happened? Huh? You are not a member.
Sir.
Huh?
No, sir, I'm a member. Sir, actually, I want to say like these lines are very tough. So
to remember.
Can I just?
Yeah, you can use
yes.
you can use your own words. Please tell me what is the job role.
Sir, like I have searched it, so it was telling that I, being an assistant manager, they do loan processing work and risk assessment, like relationship management to maintain the relationship with borrowers and ensuring timely repayment of loans. And they do business development, like they identify new business opportunities, marketing the bank's products, and expanding the bank's customer base. And policy implementation is one of their work and administrative tasks. So like this is right or not?
Yeah, it's okay, fine. This is fine. I am happy. I am happy with this answer. First class. Nothing wrong.
Yes.
You told nicely. Now tell me what all you know about Sidbi for about 2-3 minutes.
So Sidbi is an principal financial institution, and it's set up on 2nd April 1990 under the Act of Indian Parliament, and it is a principal financial institution for promotion, development, and financing of the MSME sector and coordination of the function of the institution engaged in similar activities. And its role is basically to develop and promote and finance the MSME sector and coordination. And some of the functions of Sidbi is it refinance loans and advances. It extends seed capital under the Mahila Udyam Nidhi and Mahila Vikas Nidhi. It grant direct assistance as well as refinance loan. It provides services like leasing and factoring, and it also provides supports to NSICs for providing leasing and marketing support to industries. And some of the major initiatives of Sidbi is like Sidbi Startup Mitra, which is an online portal for MSME sector so that they can register and uh, utilize all the resources, and investor there, they can meet like the entrepreneurs. And the second is Sidbi Udyami Mitra. It is also an portal to ease the MSME sector's financial and non-financial needs. And the Mudra Yojana, which is micro unit refinancing and development agency, which is an financial institution developed by Government of India, and it refinance micro enterprises. So that's it.
Not bad. Today you have been able to tell it. Were you reading from something or were you telling out of memory?
No, sir, I am telling from memory only.
That is
That's
good.
why I am telling.
No,
That's
that's
why
good.
I'm.
If you have been really telling out of memory, I will rate this performance very good. Excellent. Because you have been able to present it fadafat. Please tell me something about Mudra loans.
So Mudra loan is a micro unit development and refinance agency. It is for the MSME sector. In this, there have three sectors like Kishore, Tarun, and Siksh,
Sishu, Kishore, and Tarun.
Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun. In Shishu, there is loan up to 50,000, and then in Kishore, there is loan above 50,000 and 5 lakhs. And then there's Tarun, where loan above 5 lakhs and up to 10 lakhs are provided. Yes.
Now I
And
think
for
these questions.
state.
No, okay. Now I am asking new questions, probably which you may not be expecting. How many MSMEs are there in Uttar Pradesh, roughly?
So that I don't know.
I am now searching from, say, Google only. Whatever it says, only we know. How many MSMEs are there in Uttar Pradesh? Uttar Pradesh boasts the country's. One place he is telling Uttar Pradesh is highest. In another place he is telling Maharashtra is highest. But let us maintain a via media stand and says Uttar Pradesh has got over 90,000 business. Let us not say whether it is first rank or second rank and all that. Because I was searching for Tamil Nadu. It told in one place, Jaykumar was there with me. So they told it is second place, whereas Maharashtra was the first. So you can say around 90,000 plus businesses are there. And what is the new MSME policy in UP? This you might not have read. Please read this for new micro industry. Hello, Arushi?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen? Seeing on the screen. Screen is not visible?
Yes, sir. No. So now it is visible. So for new micro industry, 50% of the annual interest payable on the loan, maximum 25 per unit, will be given for 5 years. Entrepreneurs will be given a subsidy of 10 to 25% on capital investment, 60% on loan interest to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and women entrepreneurs.
This is a new information. So far, we have not been concentrating from this angle. So each one going for Sidbi interview has to find out what is the contribution of their state government to MSME, what are the schemes they are giving and all. I think here Drishti IAS has come out with a big write-up on this. So this must help you, Arushi.
Yes, sir.
ये थोड़ा आपको एक बार पढ़ना है, पढ़ के मन में रखना है. I'm giving in our say Telegram also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा जी. ये सब इतना बहुत है. Whatever they are telling is सबको पढ़ लीजिए. No, at least from the angle of state government, what steps are they taking to encourage MSME? Who is the MSME minister in Uttar Pradesh? Excuse me.
Yes,
you don't remember?
No, sir.
No. Oh. Uttar Pradesh Ministers List 2023. Cabinet Ministers 2023 current status. But before our seeing this, it will change. This has been given by Adda 247. and I am giving the link in our Telegram page. आप देख लीजिए इसको. Yeah, 1 minute. But I am interested in 1 or 2 ministers only. अरे बाबा, चीफ मिनिस्टर को इतना पोर्टफोलियो है? Is he having 24 hours or is he having 48 hours, Baba? Arushi?
Yes, sir.
Why are you giving one man so many works in your state, Baba? देखो ना, देखो ना, अरे बाबा. Minister of Finance, important note, please note down, Suresh Khanna.
Okay, sir.
Then Deputy Chief Minister is Brajesh Pathak.
Yes, sir.
Minister for Agriculture is Surya Pratap Shahi.
Yes, sir.
Then other ministers, Women Development is Baby Rani Maurya.
Yes, sir.
Then Minister for Animal Husbandry, Dharampal Singh.
Yes, sir.
Industrial Development, very important, Nand Gopal Gupta.
Yes, sir.
ये आपको important है. Labor Employment, Anil Rajbar.
Okay, sir.
Very, very important. Minister for MSME, Khadi, Village, Sericulture, Textile, Mr. Rakesh Sachan.
Yes, sir. Rakesh
बस
Sachan.
इतना जानने से हो जाएगा. So based on this, questions can be posed and they will ask you, who is the MLA of your place? Arushi, you are living in which city? Kanpur?
Sir, Lucknow.
Lucknow,
No, sir.
Lucknow.
Yes.
Lucknow, which constituency?
So sorry.
Lucknow mein, your MLA constituency name is what? Because you know, within Chennai, there are so many MLA constituencies like Triplicane, Mylapore, like that. आपको भी ऐसा में भी आपको जो जहां रहते हैं उसका नाम कुछ होगा ना? क्या नाम है?
Sir, I don't know. I'll ask.
You have to know, Baba. You must know who
Okay.
is your MLA, what is the name of your constituency for assembly,
Okay.
what is the name of your constituency for parliament. Because even in parliament, Lucknow might have been divided into 2 or 3 seats. So you must know
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, get to know that. Sorry to ask tough questions, but if you are
No,
getting
sir.
prepared for this, it will be good. Are you going through the newspaper properly?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me whatever news you have read today or yesterday.
So I was reading about the news regarding Sidbi only, that investment has been done to given to Sidbi and MSME also, and how Andhra Pradesh is like getting changed. Like what are the developments what developments are happening in other states, so that investors can come and invest in our state.
Good. So what is business news that you can tell us about, that you are remembering? Business news. Maybe related to our country, not related to our country also.
Okay. So business news, that this time the Fed rate is rising, but our repo rate may not rise. It's stable. Inflation is getting stable right now. CPI is below 6%, which is good, and car rates are getting high. Like,
good. Now,
imports are increasing.
Latest news is India's foreign exchange reserves have risen, increased.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now the figure, please write down somewhere. It won't change
Okay,
before
sir.
your interview. 584.75
Yes, sir.
billion dollar.
Billion. Yes, sir.
584.75 billion dollar. That is one news. Second news
Yes, sir.
is that all banks, most especially Punjab National Bank, is cautioning customers about fake messages circulating on digital platforms.
Okay, sir.
See, there some messages are being received stating like this. Let us go through that. Issued an advisory to customers related to fraudulent messages being circulated. Bank said that a fraudulent message stating PNB's 130th anniversary government financial subsidy is being circulated across digital platforms. These are fake messages and PNB brand name is being used to perpetuate different forms of fraud. So they will give a
Yes.
link, and if you click that link, then so that's what they are also asking you to do. Dear customer, click on the link below to update. Dear customer,
Yes.
your bank account will be suspended today. Update your KYC PAN to avoid deactivation. So we should not believe such things. What is this is called? This is called phishing. PHISHING. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what are the functions of a Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Reserve Bank of India. Sir, it is a currency. It issues currency, and it is bankers to bank, and it is banker to the government. It is the last resort,
Lender of last resort.
lender of last resort. Yes, sir.
Controller of foreign exchange, monetary policy
Yes, sir.
authority.
Small. Yes, sir. It is small.
So can you tell me why Reserve Bank was raising repo rate frequently earlier and now they are not
So,
increasing?
yes,
What
sir.
is the reason?
So, so to control inflation, RBI was raising the repo rate as Fed rates were increasing. So, to control inflation, it has to raise the repo rate.
How the raising the repo rate will reduce the inflation?
Sir, if repo rate will increase, the money supply will decrease, as bank will have to 1 second, sir. So the banks will get the loan in higher interest rates, so they will provide people the loan in higher rates, so people will not take loan from the banks. So money supply will get decreased, and that's why that's how it will control inflation.
Good. Very good. Very
Yes.
good. You studied M.Ba, HR and marketing.
Yes, sir.
What qualities are there in you to fit yourself as a marketing personnel?
So I can communicate easily to the people, and I can empathize the things. I can like um, pursue. I can be persuasive. Like I can explain the things to the people so that um, they can believe me. But that would like so if I say this thing, then it will look like negative thing, right?
Which one? Which one?
That I can
No. See, what are all the qualities required for a say you studied you studied HR and marketing, and if you
yes, sir.
see here I think I have showed you once what are the quality HR managers qualities.
Yes, sir.
You saw this is what I showed you, and it is
Yes,
still
sir.
still there in my this thing. Communication skills, empathy, strategic thinking, flexibility, analytical skills, leadership, ethics skills. So
Yes, sir.
likewise, we can find out about say marketing personnel, marketing officer, essential qualities. I used to normally tell about, say, I am a quick learner, hardworking person, I am interested in shouldering responsibility. Generally, I will tell like that. But here, our chat GPT is telling like this. I think he will give the same answer for many questions. अरे बाबा बहुत ज्यादा देता है जी.
बहुत.
Like first one is creativity. Note कर
Yes,
लीजिए.
sir.
Note कर लीजिए.
Yes.
Not that you don't know, but still analytical skills.
Yes.
Other boys and girls, you can also note down for all these things are required for even other bank officers post. Analytical skills, then communication skills,
Yes, sir.
strategic thinking,
Yes, sir.
time management,
Yes, sir.
flexibility,
Yes, sir.
passion.
Yes, sir.
Passion का मतलब क्या आप समझेंगे आप?
Sir, passionate towards work which I am given.
मतलब कैसे explain करेंगे उसको? Are you a passionate person?
Yes, sir.
कैसे
So
बोलेंगे
what?
ऐसे?
So whatever I decide, like if I decide something to do, then I passionately do that work and find ways
Good.
to do
Then
it.
team player.
Yes, sir.
Then attention to detail.
Yes, sir.
Then customer centric.
Yes.
Above everything is based on customer. Na? Without customer,
Yes.
we are not there. So we must do things only to suit the customer's requirements. Good. I am giving this one here. I have given it in Telegram page. Please see
Yes.
that if necessary. Good. Excellent. Now, can you tell about the present economic position of our country? How will you categorize it? Is it good, bad, or ugly?
Sir, I won't say that it is good but it is like not ugly also. We are improving as as our foreign exchange has increased, our imports has been increased like up to 50%. Though it is less than export, still imports has been rise, and like electronics equipments is being manufactured here, so imports in that has been reduced and exports there has been increased. Due to Russia Ukraine war, our dependence to Russian oil and petroleum has been increased. Still we are managing to import it in less price, and uh, inflation is also in control. As I told that CPI has also come to 5.7%. So I think,
Inflation 5.66.
okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good. So that means our economy is in good shape. And you can also state, based on
Yes, sir.
somewhere else, I have posted a video also about in the field of manufacturing, India stands on
Yes,
top with 5.92% increase in the next year
yes, sir.
projection, whereas all other countries are doing some. For example, our Britain is in the negative, whereas most advanced country like USA is only 1.6 like that. And whereas
Yes.
India, China, Indonesia, we are all doing better. Our economic activities are far better. That is, more houses are being built, more factories are attempted to be started, then more say infrastructure activities are being taken, like introduction of new trains, introduction of new metro trains, and then roads,
Yes, sir.
etc. Like that you can say. Who is Nitin Gadkari?
Sir, he's a railway minister, I think so.
What minister?
So railway
No. He's
trans
minister, surface and transport.
trans yes, sir.
He is a transport minister. Railway minister. Who is railway minister?
Oh my God. So that
Hello.
I don't know.
What? Railway minister, can anyone tell me? Aman Kumar?
Sir, Mr. Ashwani Vaishnav.
Ah,
Yes.
Ashwani Vaishnav. I think he is from Uttar Pradesh, correct? No, I don't know. Arushi, you must know
Yes,
the
sir.
names of ministers at least from Uttar Pradesh. Your Smriti
Yes.
Irani is from your place. Our
Yes, sir.
Narendra Modi is from your place. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ये सब तो आप तैयार करके रखना है. Good. You have been doing your best. You have been preparing very well. But what happens? Every day things change, and we have to be going on updating our knowledge.
Yes, sir.
That is the situation. So, but newspaper reading, why are you not remembering things that you have studied? Bolo na. Bolo na.
So I don't remember things, that the issue only.
No, that's because of the fear. And you know, there is some interesting news about Lucknow and cricket today. What is that news?
Yes, sir. Sir, wo Khelo India opening is here in opening is in Lucknow and closing is in Varanasi
Oh,
at
no,
12.
yeah, that is okay.
Sorry?
The,
Yes, sir.
but today I'm talking about something that is happening today. That has happened today. I was just seeing the screen in the television niche.
Sir, actually, sir, can I answer this question?
Yeah, please answer.
Sir, actually, Lucknow Super Giants was about to win the match. I saw in between, like before joining the class, but I saw just now that Gujarat has won.
Gujarat has won?
Yes, sir.
How can it be?
Sir, I was also surprised.
Babre, what is this? No, I will not accept this result.
Sir, actually, when I saw the score, it was
quite
60
comfortable. Quite comfortable,
of
Baba.
64 balls. 60 of 64 balls. I don't know how the team has collapsed. I don't know.
So I was trying to talk. I was talking to Arushi, conveying happy news that Lucknow would have won and all that. You know, it's very bad. Huh? I think they are doing something purposely. इतना अच्छा से खेलते थे, क्या हो गया? What, Arushi? Your Lucknow people, why are they disappointing us? Huh? This is local news, you know, today's news.
Okay.
That is the effect of information, you know. I was asking proudly question, thinking that Lucknow would have won already, because the television is in the ground floor. I am in the first floor. I came here about an hour and a half back. So I was under the impression it would have won, and I have my nose cut ho gaya. If I had simply asked what happened today's LSG cricket match, that answer would have been better. That question would have been better. But I was feeling proud,
Yes.
or I wanted to convey something happy to you. So ऐसा गलत हो गया, ऐसा तो गलत हो रहा है, क्या करेंगे? Good. Any questions you would like to ask us, or anything you would like to tell us? Are you ready,
Yes.
or are you ready for some more questions?
Yes, sir.
Or you're ready? Acha? Then I will ask this young boy Aman Kumar. Young boy Aman Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you get some questions to ask to Arushi based on somewhat like banking, Sidbi, current affairs, something, whatever comes to your mind, you can ask.
Sir, what is market capitalization and what its formula?
Yeah, very good. Good question. Marketing lady, please बताइए what is market capitalization? जानते हैं नहीं जानते? सुना है नहीं सुना है? नहीं सुना
तो
है?
सुना है.
सुना है.
सुना है.
Oh.
Yes.
Market capitalization meaning is number of shares of a limited company into the current market price, share market price in the stock exchange. And this Aman Kumar is asking because yesterday I have posted a video about ITC shares being, I posted it in spoken English class. I used it in spoken English class yesterday, and it will go like this. 1 minute. What is that? The price of the say spoken English. Just a minute. Hold on.
Turned wealthier by more than rupees 11,400 crore. The steady gains in the stock over the past 1 year saw ITC's market capitalization increase by a whopping 63% to over rupees 5 trillion. The stock has given more than 56% returns in the last year compared to Hindustan Unilever, which has given over 30% returns. Despite the stellar rally, ITC continues to trade a steep discount to HUL. ITC's price to earnings multiple is 33 times, whereas that of HUL's nearly twice at 67 times. Analysts see ITC continuing its outperformance over HUL in the near term, gives steady growth across business verticals and a strong outlook for the mainstay cigarette business. For the March quarter, ITC is seen reporting strong double-digit growth in cigarette volume.
Hello, read. For the March quarter,
ITC has seen reporting strong double-digit growth in cigarette volumes.
Continue. On the other hand,
HUL is
vulnerable.
Vulnerable. HUL is vulnerable to increasing competitive intensity with the entry of several startups and large retail competitors such as Reliance Retail. While HUL enjoys a leadership position in several segments, the earnings growth for the company could be at a slower pace than ITC. Amol Athwale of Kotak Securities remains bullish on ITC as the stock is comfortably trading above its short-term averages. If the stock continues to trade above rupees 392, then it can scale rupees 410 and even rupees 420 in the near term.
Yeah, then that's all. This is the content. Now you have studied this. Some of the words I don't know whether you found it difficult, but I found difficult. Take down notebook and write this word, vulnerable. VULNERABLE. It comes here. On the other hand, HUL is vulnerable to increasing competitive intensity with the entry of several startups and large retail competitor such as Reliance Retail. Vulnerable means susceptible. SUS CEP TIBLE. Susceptible.
Means?
Again, I will tell you. Susceptible to physical. Susceptible to physical or emotional attack or harm.
Emotional?
Emotional attack or harm. Actually, or harm. 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 Here, example sentence is, we were in a vulnerable position. We were in a vulnerable position. Meaning is danger, in danger. On the other hand, HUL is in danger of meeting increasing competitive intensity with the entry of several startups. Understand? Susceptible means likely, possibly. And I was not able to get the meaning of one word, pips. Could you understand what is by pips?
No, sir.
Pips. Here it is given, traders often use pips to reference gains. Pips meaning, I am putting meaning in trading. Pips means price move. Price move. MOVE. Movement of price in the stock exchange. Price move. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, I think any other word you found it difficult? This one. Conglomerate.
Sir.
Conglomerate. 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 Conglomerate means yeah. So actually that it is, I will stop this. I'll stop this. So that was news about, see, unless you go through newspapers, your interview will not be very happy one, Arushi and others. Every day, you must be going through newspapers regularly. Could you follow, Arushi?
Yes, sir.
And in order to help you, I am providing things in the form of videos. And I don't know how many of you have subscribed to my channel. Even if you have subscribed to the channel, how many of you spend time in watching it? Unless you watch it. And simply watching will not do. While watching, you must take down notes so that you can reproduce. Could you follow? So that ability only we should develop. So doesn't matter, Arushi, today your interview was not bad, but it again much depends on luck. जब आप अंदर जाते हैं, वो लोग हैप्पी होने से तो आपको इजी क्वेश्चंस आएगा, आराम से मिल जाएगा, नहीं होने से तो तकलीफ होगा ही. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Do you get any
Sir.
questions in your mind? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So one question is why Sidbi or bank after MBA?
Normally, they will not ask. Why after MBA? You, of course,
Yes, sir.
they can ask you, like I asked you, why are you not
Yes,
going
sir.
for HR or marketing?
Yes, sir.
Why HR or marketing? You can say Sidbi is a national level institution and the job prospects are good and career prospects are nice. And I hope to have an excellent career here. That is why I
Yes, sir.
want to come. That is why I want to come. Then they will
Okay.
tease you by asking, what good things have you learnt about Sidbi?
Okay, sir.
Accepting that salary is high. What good things have you learnt about Sidbi? So you try to find out what are their achievements. What
Yes, sir.
in what area in the report they are praising themselves. वो points को बता दीजिए.
Okay.
ठीक है? What is
Okay.
the authorized capital of our Sidbi?
So 1,000 crore.
Paid up capital
So 500 crore.
559 or so, some crores.
Okay.
Very good. That's right. Any other questions?
So what if I don't know anything in the panel?
No, no.
Like
It
before.
depends. It depends.
Yes.
Today also it was so unfortunate. Many questions I was asking were not known to you or were not
Yes,
very.
sir.
ऐसा तो हो गया तो we can't do anything.
Yes.
And it is not the plan that I am doing. Every day I should ask you new questions.
Yes,
Suddenly,
sir.
my thinking goes like this based
Yes,
on
sir.
today's news and other things. So that is how it
Yes.
comes. And a good interviewer is one who can manage even such difficult questions with a smile
Yes, sir.
and face it with confidence. If you don't know, you are 100% in order in telling, I do not know.
Don't know, sir. Yes, sir.
Supposing I ask you about something important in Tamil Nadu, over
Yes, sir.
which you have no connection, उसमें तो
Yes, sir.
there's nothing wrong in your telling I don't know. But where
Yes,
the
sir.
question is related to something related to Uttar Pradesh, something related to your own district, something related
Yes.
to your own constituency, आपका MLA का नाम भी नहीं जानने से तो
That would have-
that is where the differences make, why it is required. The bank officer need not know the name of MLA, MP, this and all that after joining bank. But before
Yes.
joining bank, you must know.
Okay, sir.
Am I made it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
I know you are not very happy about. Are you happy about today's interview, or how many
No.
marks will you give for you?
So before every interview, I just perform like this only. So it's nothing.
There's no difference. No,
Yes,
but
sir. Like
no. But
it feels like I know nothing.
No, ऐसा तो नहीं. Shall I ask you questions which you can answer properly now?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me
Then you
what.
can ask question. Okay.
No, I will ask. What is a bank?
So bank is a financial institution which lends and so deposit money.
No. Wrong sentence. Sentence में गलत है. Sweta will tell us now. Sweta, please tell us what is
Hello, sir.
banking. Sweta, tell me what is banking.
The bank is a financial institution which accept deposits and lends money.
ऐसा होना है. Arushi,
Yes, sir.
ऐसा होना है.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
That's right. Now, Arushi, I am asking a very, very simple question. What is the difference between a debit card and a credit card?
So debit card, like I have to tell this in lame language or in banking terms.
Banking, layman language also okay for me. Tell me what is, no, if you can differentiate debit card, credit card, fine. Or if you can tell debit card, this is debit card features, then credit card features. If you tell like that, that will go well.
Sir, like in debit card, we already have amount in our banks. but in credit card, it's like we borrow fund
Hmm.
from banks. Like we
Good,
don't have money.
good.
And interest rates in there is no interest charges in debit card. In credit
Correct.
card, interest rates are there.
Very good. Correct. Not bad. But if you can know certain other things, you can know the similarity of them also. You can tell, like it has 16 digits, that also has 16 digits. It has month and a year expiry, that also month and year expiry. The name of the beneficiary will be put on top of it. On the reverse, you will have a place for signature. And also, what is that? CVV. What is the expansion of CVV? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the expansion of CVV? Victory, victory. You don't
So
know?
that, so I don't know what's the full form, but I don't know that I know that it's a security code, like three.
How many digits will be there?
So 3 digits.
Correct. 3 digits is correct. Now, what can anyone tell me? What is the expansion of CVV? Please tell.
Sir, it's card verification value.
Correct. Card verification value. Arushi.
Yes, sir.
I thought I am giving you easy questions and you are struggling here also.
So I told you I perform like this only before every interview.
So who is your role model?
Sir, my role model is. So can I say my father in this?
Why not? 100% you
Yes.
are in order. And then you must be
Yes.
able to substantiate with which qualities of him would you like to copy and what is he?
Yes, sir.
ये सब बोलना है, बोलिए.
Okay. So he works in PWD. So he belongs, like he was from like not very rich family. So he studied there in village, then with his big brother, and after completing his diploma only, he topped in the institute in the exam of PWD. So like he was teaching to students, and then he got like first rank in the exam. So I saw him, like he's very hardworking. I saw him working till like 2 or 3 p.m. also. Some days when I used to wake up, he was like woke up already like from 4 sometimes. So I have seen him like working hard for the things. Until yet, he is working very hard. So yeah.
Good. He has studied diploma or has he studied degree also?
No, sir, diploma.
Very good. So you should tell, I would like to copy the quality of hard working from him.
Okay.
And perseverance.
Okay, sir.
Like that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Best wishes.